Alright, unit number 9, quiz. Quiz with quote-unquote quiz number 2, because it's not really a quiz. It's just this star and this star. Geometric series with summation notation. Alright, so this is saying when J is 1, so 3, open parentheses 1, close parentheses, plus 3, open parentheses 2, close parentheses, plus 3, open parentheses 3, close parentheses 3. Evaluate this, it cuts up to 3. So 3 plus 6 plus 9, that is 18. Same thing, when J is 0, this is 2, 0, minus 4, plus 2, 1, minus 4. This is negative 4 plus negative 2, that's negative 6. Same thing, 0 plus 5, 1 plus 5. No, this is a series, not a sequence. 0 plus 5 plus 1 plus 5 plus 2 plus 5. So 5 plus 6 plus 7, that is 18. Same thing, 1 minus 1 plus 2, 1 minus 2, that's 0 plus negative 1, that's negative 1. Alright, this is the first part of this quote-unquote quiz. The second part is this star over here. Okay, find the sum. Okay, so this formula is the sum of n terms equals the initial term, open parentheses 1 minus the common ratio to the nth power over 1 minus the common ratio. So just substitute everything to find the sum. So the sum is equal to the initial value, the initial term, open parentheses 1 minus the common ratio, which looks to be 1.2, to the 75th power, because this 1, this is 0, 1.2 times 0th power, this 1.2 times the first power. So there's 75 terms. There are 75 terms here. And 1 minus 1.2, and all of this in the calculator. 1 minus 1.2 to the 75th over negative 0.2 is 434,0731.847. And that looks like this one. Okay, same thing. The initial term is when cake was the initial term is negative 4. So sum of n terms. A is an initial term, open parentheses 1 minus the common ratio, which is negative 2. Negative 2 to the 20th power, because k equals 0 is the first term, and 1 minus negative 2. Enter this in the calculator. Negative 4, open parentheses 1 minus negative 2, close parentheses to the 20th power, close bracket, all over 3. All over 3. That's 1,398,100, which is B. You find the sum of the first 25 geometric terms. Okay, so the sum of the first 25 geometric terms is the initial term 8, open parentheses 1 minus the common ratio, which is 8 over 6 is like 4/3 minus 4/3. No, 3/4. What am I thinking? It's 12/13, as you can see in the morning. So 1 minus 3/4 to 25th power, because there's 25 terms, and 1 minus 3/4. Enter all of this in the calculator. 8, open parentheses 1 minus open parentheses 3 over 4 close parentheses to 25th power, close parentheses, all over 0.25. You get 31.9759, which looks to be about D. Okay, the first term is negative 1/3. First 75 terms equals negative 1/3. 1 minus the common ratio, which looks to be negative 3. Negative 3, 75 terms. 1 minus negative 3, just enter all of this in the calculator. Negative 1/3 times 1 minus negative 3 to the 75th power, close parentheses, and divide by 4. I get negative 5.06888899 to the 34th power. And that looks to be C. Alright. That is quiz, quote unquote, quiz number 2 of unit number 9. 2 more quizzes left.